How to stop people from tagging you on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to stop people from tagging you on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we need to go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Now we need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. In the appear menu we should press on Settings at the top. Here we need to tap on Privacy. Then we should find option Mentions and tap on it. Here we can allow mentions from everyone, people you follow, or just no one. And that's all. It was how to stop people from tagging you on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.